Okay, so hey, what's up, Ello? Welcome to another video. Sorry, I just finally struggled and got myself into a parking spot. This hurts. What? Why does that hurt? I don't know why. I struggled to get myself into a parking spot. So now I'm about to go inside Almadina. I have not been here in a while. It's a halal store. I haven't been here in a long time. Well, I won't say a long time, but it's been a while. Since the last video I posted, I haven't been here since then. But it's Thanksgiving, and usually we make breakfast Friday morning. So we usually have beef bacon for breakfast, and then some turkey and chicken sausages. And I'm gonna try to get turkey pastrami if they do have it. I'm gonna pray that they have it, and then see if they have the noodles that my sister loves as well. And then we're good on vegetable, we're good on seasonings, we're good on spices, and we're good on rice. We already got our basmati rice, so we're good on that. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't think I'm getting anything else. My mom didn't say anything else. That's all that's on the list from this store particularly. So we're gonna run inside. Y'all probably see like the freezer cases and the stuff, because I don't like recording in there. If you don't see how my recording style is, sometimes I'll point the camera down, because a lot of time I'm looking down. Sorry, I'm looking at this list as well. And we're gonna go in here, get this stuff, and then oh, there's a car right. Oh no, she's going out. Let me go in there so that people don't think I'm leaving. All right. Here's the store. We're going inside. Do I want a cart? I don't want to carry the. It will. Let me make sure they got it first. What? Okay. Now, if they have pistachios, I will get the pistachio. This is I love this stuff. They're this brand too. You have some of this at home. Y'all saw in my video. Okay, before I had got dry dates, and I was very mad because I was at Walmart and I ended up getting dry dates. Now I'm gonna get some dates that are not dry. So the recipe for baklava calls for rose water or orange blossom water. This is the orange blossom water, and then there's the rose water. They also have different brands. There's the orange blossom brand here too. I haven't tried orange blossom. I've only did rose. I'm curious as to if I want to do the orange blossom this time. I'm gonna go for rose water. I'm gonna make a little batch of baklava maybe next month for a video, just one video, and then I'll shoot do the orange blossom thing. I lied again. I'm not doing rose water. Let's do orange blossom. Let's try different, because I've already done it twice with rose water. And this is orange blossom here. So we're just gonna get one of these. Of course, the marshmallows we grew up on. Let me get a cart. Or a basket. No, let's get a cart. This will be, that looks like cart. The beef and lamb and goat. Down there's chicken, and then right down there you see is my pastrami. That right there is that turkey pastrami I need. But I don't know how much I want to get, because I don't know how much it actually is. So we're gonna ask how much that is, and then I'm gonna just get all the whole thing of beef bacon if they let me. We're gonna see if they let me. Is that liver? Tell me. Sorry, it's all bloody and stuff. It's interesting to be in this store, and this is the first halal store we came to when we moved down to North Carolina back in 2001. So that was about 24 years ago for me. So it's really interesting to see the difference, because this store has been around for the last 24 years, at least for me. It's been longer, I'm sure, for the store, and it looks like they're raising money for a new location, but I think it's not my turn, but it's really fun to see the changes and the different type of people that come in and out over the years. Of course, I haven't been going here as often since I've moved a lot, but I have come back, and this is really cool that there's a lot of different people that shop here now. that I never saw when I was, growing up. It's not different. I like it. I'm just waiting in line, bored. I just asked them for the whole beef bacon. They're gonna see. Is that what you're talking about? You want the whole thing? Yeah, I want the whole thing. I'm not crazy. Don't have beef? No. Oh no, not none at all. So that much? Can I have it? Can I have it? Okay, that and they don't have it. It's so sad. They only have that little bit that's left right there. So I'm gonna have to come back. It's okay. I'll come back in like a week. I need to come back on Fridays or something. I need to ask him when they get it in. Sorry, it's gonna be a lot of footage on the meat, but I'm not putting it on people, like I said. No, they got some seasoned meat right there. I'm gonna just try to zoom in. We're gonna see if it works. Seasoned meat. They about to go ahead and cook up. Oh, and then turkey pastrami. How much is that? That's 3 pounds. How much is it a pound? $11.99 or 25? Okay, 25. I'll do the whole thing. And that's all. Yeah, I'm getting that turkey pastrami. 25 is not bad at all. I just wish they had the beef. Yes, please. He asked if I wanted them sliced, so. And I do. Excuse me. I'm feeling that's a no-no part. Y'all tell me what that is. See, I'm not being bushy. We don't eat. This is good. We'll do just fine too. But I'm not gonna get it because we like the fresh slice. This is the Oh, that don't look real. Anyway, there's beef bacon as well. So if I wasn't a little pickle, I would have just gotten that. They also have squab. It's a squab, and then halal duck as well. Whole duck. That's $46.99. And then jumbo quails. That's really good. I'll eat those for breakfast any day. And then there's some more beef strip, cured beef. But let me get out. I'm getting phyllo dough for my baklava. And then the orange blossom for baklava. This is just for the house. Pita bread and then dates. Because I was disappointed last time at Walmart. Shame on you, Walmart. Okay, let's go. It's not looking like they have the cup noodle. I got my other stuff in here. It's all finished. But I don't think they have the cup noodle. They only got these noodles up here. I think they might just not have them. And no lie, I kind of really want to try this hot and spicy ramen. I do kind of want to try this, but when there's no price, Aneesah does not have time to look for it. And I don't think I need any vegetables. We just need fruit for the next day. So I'm just going to check out. Oh, wait, I was going to ask my mom if she wants the pepperoni. So let me get off of here real quick because I'm going to see if she wants the pepperoni. That dry roll is actually pretty good lunch. I had that. It's a good lunch. They also have fish, like salted fish and some herring. But yeah, let me go ask her if she wants this. Hey, we back with this voiceover while I'm driving because I didn't know I wasn't recording audio. Maybe I was on the phone. I don't remember. But we're pulling up to Mecca Market soon. That's another halal store right there, or market, or it might be a restaurant. I think it's a restaurant and market. But anyways, we're pulling up to Mecca Market now. This location, of course, and then again, is in Raleigh, near NC State, of course, where I went to school. But I'm pulling up here. I have never been inside this one. I am lying probably. I think I went inside one time a long time ago. But anywho, we're going inside and we're going to go ahead and see if they have the beef bacon. I wanted to see what else they had in the aisles too. Just, see price comparison. If I paid too much phyllo dough on the last one, it's right here, $4.99, so no exact price. And they do have a wide selection of things and a lot of Indomie, like a lot of Indomie. But here's me going up to the bacon counter, and I found the bacon. It's a lot. It's quite a bit actually there. But I ended up not doing it because I already bought 2 pounds from the other place and 5 pounds of turkey pastrami. So I went ahead, opted out after speaking with mother. Opted out of getting they have a lot of lamb legs. I'm pretty sure that's either lamb leg or is that a lamb or a goat leg? I don't know. But yeah, we opted out of getting this one this time. I still have to go back. Even doing this voiceover, I still have to go back and get this exact one. It's the brand Dean Halal, and it's already cut up. Actually, this is not the one I usually get. I'm lying because this is the one that they've been having recently, but I usually get one when they have to cut it. I need to figure out which one that was. Maybe they stopped selling it. But anyways, that's what it is. And then I went over here to look at the dishes because I love me a dish, and gold is my favorite. I love gold. Silver not so much, but I love gold. Anyway, these are some, and this is beautiful right here. Oh my god, it has a lot over it. So pretty, so gorgeous. I wish I bought that one. But yes, back to the video.
But look at this. It's like, isn't that like, I know they use it for something. Look, and it's all like basically plastic besides that. So that's a good dish. I would serve my something in that. That thing come out right. Is that like a tissue? Ooh, I always wanted one of these. I'll put my tissue in it. That's a nice set for, you know, tea. All right, let me go. Because I'm not going to get the beef bacon. Had a conversation with mother. Oh, there's the Indomie. Okay. So I was trying to find the daggone Indomie to see if they have hot and spicy. They have vegetable flavor. They have special flavor. This one, I don't know what that is. I have it at home though. And then they have the regular, of course, bulldog. But we already have bulldog. And these aren't the noodles that she likes either. They're a different type. We might not carry it anymore. I wouldn't be surprised if they didn't. I'm tempted to get the vegetable.
So my editing self is looking back, and look at here, right behind everything. Hot and spicy Indomie. Should have known.
I'm not buying nothing. I think we're good. Yeah, I think I'm good. All right, it's time to go. I don't know what they're playing, but time to go. It's Popeyes. Love that chicken from Popeyes. And Bojangles right there. Like, no joke, there's probably a chicken spot always within 2 feet of each other.
Okay, so you saw us going to the Mecca market in Almadina as well. So I'm about to take those groceries home. I just need to grab pistachios. So I think I'm gonna go in Wegmans. I was gonna do Walmart. I probably should do Walmart because I still need to grab. No, I don't want to do Walmart because that's not on the right side. I'm gonna do Wegmans because Wegmans is also on the side that I need to be on. And get some fruit, get the fruit, and get pistachios, and then I'll be ready. The phyllo dough still has to sit out since it was in the freezer and I bought it in the freezer section. It still has to sit out for a few hours, so it'll be a bit of time before I can start that. But once I have that all together and everything, and have the simple syrup made, then all I have to do is put it in the oven for, sorry, it's not that bright in here. I just have to put it in the oven for like what they say about 35 minutes is the recipe I'm following. But I'm also going off of a recipe that I forget her name, but I'm gonna put her Instagram right here. I'm going off of her, how she did hers too, but I'm modifying it a bit. Since I've made it before, I'm modifying it to what I like, because hers is good though. Her baklava, amazing. But yes, we're gonna see how this turns out, and you'll see the Thanksgiving as well. So hopefully that's all in one video. But thanks for watching us, and happy Thanksgiving. Bye. The rest of the baklava. I got no footage from actual Thanksgiving, but here's my baklava. I think the baklava turned out good.